Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to turn off restrictions on iPhone without password. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to turn off restrictions on your iPhone without using your password? Stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, so for some reason, if you don't want to use your password to turn off restrictions, maybe you're a teenager who's feeling, rebel, like a rebel, use TenorShare. Go to tenorshare.net, and in tenorshare.net, go to password. So either use for you key, right? Click on for you key, and it's pretty simple. Download it for free, and the steps is pretty much connect device, choose feature unlock iOS screen or whatever you want to unlock. Step 2, download firmware package, choose the save path and click download. Step 3, start unlocking and click start unlock to remove iPhone passcode. So without using your passcode, this is pretty much how you remove and be able to remove the restrictions and at the same time remove the passcode. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.